we have a new loom to look at.
This is very exciting.
Karrie's never seen one before as it comes in the door and out of the box. And then I got to thinking, I'll bet other people haven't seen it either. So here we go. This is a Schacht Wolf Pup. And it comes in this great little box. Let's turn it around. Okay, step on that bottom one and just pull.
And pull.
And pull.
It's a big
There we
boy.
go. No, it's a baby.
It's just a baby. There we go.
Let's move the box out of the way. And everything for the loom is here and here. And once we take off the packaging, all we really have to do is put on the heddles.
This is my job. I want to do that.
And what else? We have to put on the apron cords and some strings.
That's it?
That's it. It's all put together. Isn't that cool?
That is really cool. They make it really easy. How do people get this? Do they get it delivered to their home? They have to pick it up at the store?
Either.
Oh.
It can be drop shipped to your house or you can get it at the store. We really, after all the years I've been doing this, I prefer that people put them together themselves. Then you know how your loom works.
Yeah, I'm going to pretend that it's mine when I put it together.
Well, you can weave the first project on it. This is a loom for the shop. This is replacing one of our older Wolf Pups. So this is the brand new one that has things like the front beam comes off to make it easier to thread. It's a great little loom.
I'm happy to have it. It'll be great for class.
So when's it going to be ready to weave on and they can come see?
Soon!
Bye, guys.